this is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel, if you have never visited my channel before, my channel is all about how to empower your life and live your dreams through entrepreneurship and really just enjoying life. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. And all this we feel is giving you valuable information to help you to be able to live your dreams. Now today, the company that we're going to be talking about is a company called Fiverr. And basically Fiverr is a platform where if you have any skills that you can market your skills and be able to get paid daily through your own efforts. And we thought that this will be a good review and video to shoot for you because of everything that's happening with the COVID-19. People have been thrown totally out of socket. They're not working. They don't have any income coming in. We want everybody to just take a breath, just breathe deep and think, what kind of skills do you have that you can use to make money with? And then you can take those skills and bring them to this platform called Fiverr. Now, right now we're on the main page of Fiverr, and you see the job descriptions are either under graphic design, digital marketing, wiring and translation, and video animation. Now from this right here all the way back, from this right here to graphic design to video animation, these are basically some of the top money makers that on this platform. So if you have any type of skills in this area, that you can be able to market those skills and get paid daily. Now I'd like to show you this real odd job that's here that's making a lot of money, where somebody with just the basic technical skills on how to do YouTube and videos and click this button and click that button, where most people, young people, they have these skills. You can come right here and get paid daily and make a good income, somewhere between $200 up a day. Now you can come here and click this link, says video animation. And look at this one right here that has this box right here that's whiteboard animated explainers. Hit this right here. And then you're going to come to this page here, and you see that there are a lot of jobs here for this animation videos. Okay, now right here, this person right here, their starting price is $120, and you see right here they have over 1,000 jobs. This one right here, their starting price is $45, and they had 179. Multiply 45 by 179. This one person right here, they just had one job, but look at their one job is $845. So you can come on Fiverr and learn how to do this whiteboard video editing marketing that companies are requesting. You see right here, it's one right here, and his starting price is $350. He's had over 1,000 jobs. This person right here, their starting price is $60. They have had over 135 jobs times 60. So this right here is a website that you can come and really learn how to make money. Now, even with this little job right here, you're saying, well, I don't know how to make animated videos or whiteboards, where you really don't need any major experience. You can come over here to this site called redforest.com, and you can sign in. It's free. You can sign in. Everything we're showing you today is free. You sign in, and once you create your account and put your email and password in, you sign in, and you can come over here and see that you have the option of the free account, the amateur, the pro, the popular, the agency. Everything that we're going to show you today is on the free account. Then once you come in and sign in, you can go over here to their video template, okay? And you can scroll down, and what did we talk about on Fiverr? A whiteboard animated video series. You can come here for free. Click this right here. come down, watch this tutorial video, okay, and then start following the quick steps. It's click and paste steps of how to create your own whiteboard animation. And you can be able to make the same amount of money that you see the people that we showed you over here in Fiverr that are charging $120, $45 a project. This one project right here was $845 that they got paid. You can go right over to Red Forest. You can go right over here to Winter Forest and be able to do the same thing and make money. Well, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found value with today's video. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, because I do follow back up with all my comments. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, please look at the description box below this link, and I have below this video, and I have that link there. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, again, my name is Sandra Essex. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you will be notified when we release our next video. With that being said, take care and have an awesome, awesome day.